Hey there, water-loving adventurers. Are you ready to take your backyard summer fun to a whole new level? Well, hold on to your sun hats because I've got something truly epic to share with you today, the Sunny Fun Deluxe Inflatable Water Slide Park and Splash Pool with Tunnel. This ultimate outdoor playset is perfect for kids of all ages, and let's be real, adults too. No judgment here, who are looking to cool off and have a blast on those hot summer days. From the moment you set eyes on this colorful, exciting inflatable water park, you'll know it's bound to bring hours of laughter, excitement, and memories to your family and friends. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty details of this amazing water slide park. First off, let's talk about the heavy-duty construction. This isn't your average flimsy inflatable, oh no. The Sunny Fun Deluxe is built to last with durable materials that can withstand hours of rough and tumble play. One of the standout features of this water slide park is the climbing wall. Kids can test their ninja skills as they scramble up the inflatable wall to reach the top of the slide. And once they make it, get ready for some serious splashdown action as they zoom down into the refreshing splash pool below. Setting up this water slide park is a breeze, thanks to the included air pump and carrying case. In just minutes, you'll have this massive inflatable ready to go, no sweat required. And when it's time to pack up, simply deflate, roll up, and store in the convenient carrying case until the next adventure calls. But wait, there's more. The Sunny Fun Deluxe Inflatable Water Slide Park also features a tunnel for added excitement and play possibilities. Kids can crawl through the tunnel, race down the slide, or just chill out in the splash pool. The choice is theirs. Now, let's talk about some real-life usage tips. One cool idea is to set up this water slide park for a backyard birthday party or summer barbecue. Trust me, you'll be the hero of the neighborhood when your friends and family see this epic playset in action. And don't forget to have plenty of sunscreen, snacks, and drinks on hand for a full day of fun in the sun. In comparison to other inflatable water slides on the market, the Sunny Fun Deluxe stands out for its durability, size, and overall fun factor, with plenty of space for multiple kids to play at once. This water slide park is sure to be a hit at any outdoor gathering. So, are you ready to elevate your summer fun with the Sunny Fun Deluxe Inflatable Water Slide Park and Splash Pool with Tunnel? Don't miss out on the chance to turn your backyard into a water wonderland for endless hours of laughter and excitement. Order yours today and get ready to make some unforgettable memories with the ones you love. Cheers to a summer filled with fun and adventure.